Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Nomadic Sage. I have received this email from IndusInd Bank today where they are announcing our new travel partner. So it is none other than Singapore Airlines KrisFlyer program. Now, this is a really great news in my opinion. And if you have an IndusInd card, I believe you should have also received this email. And specifically, what I'm happy about it is because now since Club Vistara has been merged into Air India. We only had Intermiles as a transfer partner. I have shown that in my recent video where I have discussed the Indus Movements platform. So I just recently published that video. You can check that video out if you haven't. But basically, at the time of making that video, we only had Intermiles program there to transfer our IndusInd Bank's points too. So now in this email, basically they're saying that we can log into the Indus Moment platform and we can redeem our points to the KrisFlyer points. And one of the good things about this particular news is that the KrisFlyer will work not only with Singapore Airlines but also all of the Star Alliance partners, which would include Air India as well. Now, if I first jump into the IndusInd Bank's website and particularly on my credit card, the Pinnacle credit card, I have made a separate video explaining this card's benefits so you can check those videos as well. But let's just go ahead and look if that has been updated. The KrisFlyer has been updated on this website. So what I'll do, like similarly to the last video, I'll go ahead into redeem points and I click on explore more. Now here you can see while we were seeing only intermiles just a couple of days ago, now we also have KrisFlyer here. So if I click on the terms and condition, then we can see that this is a 2 is to 1 ratio or 1 reward point equal to zero point 0.5 KrisFlyer miles. So that would be the conversion ratio that you will get if you redeem your IndusInd Bank points for KrisFlyer miles. And basically you need to have a minimum of 500 reward points to make that transaction. The maximum you're allowed is 10,000 points in a calendar month, which, in my opinion, is not a very good strategy because you need to transfer 20,000 points to get 10,000 KrisFlyer miles, and in 10,000 KrisFlyer miles, I don't think you will get any reward flight. So basically, you will be transferring your points in a few months to accumulate that threshold to get that reward flight. This, in my opinion, is a really bad move by IndusInd Bank. It should have been at least 1 lakh point. That is my opinion. Now, coming back to the Pinnacle Credit Cards web page, we can see that earlier where the CV points were, we now have the KrisFlyer, and we just checked out the terms and conditions. But now let's just go ahead and click on Indus Moment, and this is the page that you need to scroll towards to get to the Indus Moment. And on the Indus Moment, you can actually go ahead and redeem your points for the KrisFlyer miles. Like I have shown you earlier, we can go into redeem, and from redeem, we can find all of the options that were there. So earlier, we only had this air miles to intermiles option here, but now we have this air miles KrisFlyer option added to the redeem menu. Let's just go ahead and click on it. Now you can see that this is the page. So basically from here what you can do is you can enter your name, then your KrisFlyer ID, and then you can use all of the points that you have, or you can use this marquee here to adjust the amount of points that you want to redeem. So if I, let's say, redeem 1000 points, then I will get 500 miles. And like I have shown in the terms and condition, you need to redeem at least 500 points. And for 500 points, you will only get 250 miles. Now, in the terms and condition, there was this thing mentioned that you can only get maximum of 10,000 points redeem. Here it says the maximum of 10,000 reward points can be converted against KrisFlyer Miles in a calendar month. So I believe that the 10,000 Indus Bank points can be converted. So in a single calendar month, you will only be able to get 5,000 KrisFlyer Miles. So I believe the decent amount of points that you need to transfer to get some reward flight would be 40,000 Indus Bank points, which will equate to 20,000 KrisFlyer miles. And you would need to do that for 4 months to get something meaningful out of it. So I'm saying 20,000 because there is a waiting list option on the KrisFlyer program, and from there you can put yourself on the wait list to convert 20,000 points for one person, one way ticket. I believe few of the destinations have that option that you can get a flight for 20,000 points, but I am not sure on that. I will check the KrisFlyer program and I'll make a separate video on that. So to get that video, subscribe to my channel and click on that bell icon to receive notifications. However, I still believe this could be a good option because let's say you have 10,000 points here and you convert that entire 10,000 points into the KrisFlyer miles. And then what you do if you have some other credit card, let's say you have American Express credit card, and from American Express credit card, you transfer a few more points to KrisFlyer. By that combination, you can accumulate a few points in your KrisFlyer account, and from there you can book a ticket. So this could be a good option if you're coming up short on a few points when you're converting some other bank's credit cards points to KrisFlyer. Now that's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, then please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos in the future. And I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye.